let's start. Yeah, I'm Michiko from Evaco. I'm content manager and I'm here at the Qlik World in Las Vegas, and I'm here at the platform manager booth with Uko. And tell something about you.
Okay, well, I'm Uko van der Weert. I'm running strategic alliances, partner management for platform manager. We're very happy to be here because this is the place where we meet a lot of customers and also a lot of other partners to see how our partner ecosystem could grow. We are very happy to be here.
Yeah, great. So tell me a little bit about Platform Manager. What is possible with Platform Manager and what is the biggest benefit of using Platform Manager?
Yeah, sure. Good question. Platform Manager has been there almost for 10 years now in the market. We have really a focus on getting your DevOps operations, which you aim to install Qlik in a better position and bring in the value from development, from acceptance and guidance to bring it into a full production environment. And the thing is, you want to be in control. So you are looking for application governance. And that's what Platform Manager brings in the broad perspective of what you think of control, to be in control of your BI. And with our focus on Qlik and on our focus on cloud now and our new product, the self-service BI, you will see we have a full reach product to come with all the answers customers are looking for.
So, sounds great. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. What can you tell about the experience here at Qlik World this year?
Well, Qlik World, first time for me. I know that Platform Manager has been here for quite some years, except during COVID, of course. But for me it's the first time, and I'm impressed to see how big the community is. That Qlik is being used in all parts of the world, and it's really a global product. And that for me it's a challenge to see where my partner ecosystem could grow and where we could reach our end customers by means of working with good partners. And I must say, I often use our relationship with Evaco as an example of how things could be very beneficial for both, for us as a supplier of a solution and for you bringing a product to your local market.
Yeah. So, yeah, great. Let's talk about the relationship or the partnership between us. So, what do you think is special about our partnership?
Yeah, well, I think you have got our partner awards twice in the last year because we are really teaming up. And the good thing is, you could say we are neighbors, that helps of course. We are not that far away from each other, just 100 miles I think, but we also feel that the way you bring your product as an embedded part of your own service delivery and it fits into your own solution, that really brings a plus for both of us. And Evaco is doing well in bringing their message to the market where Qlik needs and is looking for an answer.
Yeah, good. Thank you.
Okay.
So, we can talk about the new version with your colleagues.
Yeah, that's good. We are very happy to show you more with my colleagues on the latest product we just announced during Qlik World here, and that's our self-service BI proposition that gives also access for business end users to have some version control, and it could be just installed by a browser, so it's a pretty easy installation, but then we know that when we bring things to production, that end users also have an ability to use version control. So let's have a closer look.
Okay, I want to show you something about the new options that we have in Platform Manager, and that's called this end user Platform Manager for end users. What it means most of the time is that you create a Qlik Sense app that will be imported into Platform Manager, for instance, and then finally promote to production. And then in production, an end user will have the opportunity to work on that application and create their own private sheets. And those private sheets, they are there at that moment, but who's going to manage that? Now, let's see. I've created a financial toolkit in here. And that's for end users, and you see here an awful lot of end user sheets, my sheets, that are created by this specific user who's logged in at this moment. Now these end user sheets, the My Sheets, yeah, they are not managed at all outside of Platform Manager. With Platform Manager you can manage it. You can make sure that each and every sheet can be imported into the repository of Platform Manager itself.
Are you aware of ClickCloud?
If it's in Platform Manager, at that moment it means that an end user can see that there are different versions. I can show you the moment that I'm going to drag and drop an item from here into the Platform Manager area, and that's the only thing that an end user has to do. And you can also see that it changed from orange to green. That's nice. It also now means that the financial reporting, let's see where it is, that you can have multiple versions of this specific item. This specific item, this specific sheet now has multiple items, and what an end user will be able to do is to make comparisons between the one version and the other version of that sheet. And of course, he will also be able to restore it back to the previous version. Another good thing is, even if he dropped out that specific sheet out of this area, he can pick it up from Platform Manager and put it back into his own application. Now this is very nice for the end users, because then they have a good control about it. But it's also very good for people who are working within Platform Manager, especially for developers, because now they have inside information about the app that is using those specific private sheets, personal sheets. And those personal sheets can now, whenever you make a change to the app, can be controlled and can be checked if it doesn't break in that way. So an end user will have the profit that he can work with that item, can restore that item, can do a difference analysis on that item, and he will be sure that the moment that the app itself has been changed will not break the sheets that he has created himself. That's what the self-service is about.